Earnin became popular because it gives paycheck access without locking the basic service behind a monthly subscription. That matters, because paying a monthly fee for emergency cash makes borrowing more expensive before you even start. By the end of this, you'll know 7 apps similar to Earnin that don't require subscription fees for core cash advances, and which one fits your situation best. Start with Oing Dave. Tautsio. Dave is one of the closest alternatives. It offers small paycheck advances tied to your bank account and repayment schedule. Setup is fast, and it works well for short-term gaps. Second is Moneylion. Moneylion's Instacash gives fast access to part of your expected income and adds banking tools on top. It's stronger if you want a bigger financial toolkit. Third is Clover. Clover stands out because it uses app activity and optional data sharing instead of traditional subscription models. That makes it different from most apps in this space. Now, the flexible options. Branch is built around employer-linked paycheck access. If your employer supports it, this can be one of the smoothest ways to get earned wages early. Pine works similarly. It's focused on workers who want access to wages they've already earned before payday. Payo combines budgeting and cash advances. Its appeal is the money management side mixed with emergency access. Then there's Earnin. Albert blends cash advances with savings tools and financial tracking. It works best if you want to fix cash flow patterns, not just borrow against them. Here's what you need to watch. No subscription fee doesn't mean no cost. A lot of these apps still charge for instant transfers. That's usually where the money is made. Standard transfers are often slower but cheaper. Also check eligibility. Apps like Branch and DailyPay may depend on employer participation. Apps like Clover may depend more on account activity. That changes which app actually works for you. Quick recap. Best closest Earnin alternative. Dave. Best all-in-one finance app. Moneylinion. Best employer-linked options. Branch and DailyPay. Data. Best non-traditional model. Clover 40. The practical next step is simple. Check whether your income setup fits employer-based apps first. If not, compare instant transfer fees on the independent apps. That tells you which option is actually cheapest. If this helped you find a better no-subscription cash advance app, like the video and subscribe for more.